It feels absolutely amazing.
This is probably one of the best modalities that I've tried so far.
I really enjoy the sensation of the heat and how smooth and gentle the technique is.
It's just far greater than what I imagined.
As a massage therapist, we are all looking for a technique that we can do many massages a day without feeling tired at the end of the day or having a lot of pain. Bamboo is one of the tools that can help you to reach the goal. Why did I pick bamboo? It's because it's a beautiful wood. It has a beautiful healing energy.
The Bamboo Fusion, the sticks that we're using, it's a great set. It's very user-friendly. It's very comfortable to use. The style and the technique with using the tools is very fluid-like, and the strokes are very smooth, and it's a great tool to use.
You can make it nice and luxurious and wonderful, and you can make it deep and therapeutic.
By holding the piece of the bamboo in your hand, the therapist is going to feel grounded, so it's going to feel stronger, and the client's going to feel energized.
Renew your practice and your hands by adding this unique specialty to your massage knowledge. Right now, when you purchase our DVD, you also receive a discount to our live classes around the country.
It's very easy and it takes the stress off my hands.
I would recommend Bamboo Fusion.
I would recommend it to anyone that is looking for a new experience, something unique and different to bring to their practice.
Bamboo Fusion, it's all about the therapist. You won't feel tired at the end of the day. You're going to increase your clientele, and your client's going to love it.